Hello guys and welcome to this video. I'm gonna show you how to set up the Mixmax app inside your sub account. So let's get started. Once you search for the app at the level of App Marketplace, you go at the install and then allow an install. You actually provide the API key. So let's paste it. Here we go, continue, and you get success, which means the tool is already connected. Now, in order to access the tool, you have to go at the level of custom page. But before, let's refresh the page. Here we are. So let's scroll down. We have Mixmax. This is the new interface. You have the documentation. That's going to show you or provide you all the steps you're supposed to follow in order to set up the app. Here, the level tutorials, you have the smart guide show you how to get the credentials. And here you have the set video. And finally, the setup showing you the status of the app. That's pretty much, guys. If you ever have any questions, feel free to reach our support team. We're available 24/7 to answer all your questions. Thank you for watching, guys.